T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And liftoff. Liftoff of Terran 1, the first 3D printed rocket. T plus 20 seconds. Terran 1 climbing away from Cape Canaveral. Everything looking good so far. 9 engines producing more than 200,000 pounds of thrust. T plus 1 minute 40 seconds. Everything looking good. Terran 1 has passed max Q, a key milestone on this test flight. No problems reported so far in this test flight of Terran 1. Coming up on T plus 2 minutes now. Terran 1 appearing like a brilliant blue star high in the sky. The blue exhaust, very distinctive from the Aeon 1 engines on the first stage. These methane-fueled engines continuing to perform well so far. About 20 seconds until main engine cutoff and stage separation. Another critical milestone coming soon. There's main engine cutoff. Here's a shot from an onboard camera on the Terran 1. And there's ignition of the upper stage Aeon vacuum engine.